Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use a Canva website template in WordPress. In order to do so, here we are at canva.com and we have our website template. And what we want to do is up at the top right hand corner where it says share, we're going to go ahead and click on that. And then from here, we want the option that says embed. Let's go ahead and click embed, and then we want to copy the HTML embed code. So we've copied that. Now it's time to move over to WordPress. And in WordPress, if you are in the editor up at the top left-hand corner, we want the plus sign that says block inserter. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then we're going to scroll down until we see the option that says custom HTML. We're going to go ahead and select that now. And then from here, you're going to see the HTML prompt where we can write HTML. We're going to go ahead and paste our HTML in the box here, and then we can go ahead and click preview. And then you can see now that our Canva website template has been brought into WordPress. Then all we have to do is hit save up at the top right hand corner. And we have successfully saved our Canva website template in WordPress. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.